The Furvveerr A31 L1800 DTF printer is a cutting-edge direct-to-film transfer printing machine designed to elevate your textile printing projects. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this printer in the description below at the latest price. This machine stands out with its built-in white ink mixing system, which ensures a continuous and clog-free ink flow. This not only extends the lifespan of the printer but also guarantees an even and consistent application of white ink, which is crucial for producing high-quality prints on various fabric types. Flexibility is a core feature of the Furvveerr A31 L1800. It supports two feeding modes, allowing you to print on both single sheets in A3 and A4 sizes or roll materials. This versatility eliminates common issues like paper jams and maximizes workflow efficiency with a continuous ink supply that keeps printing smooth and uninterrupted. This feature is especially valuable in busy printing environments where downtime can cause delays and lost productivity. When it comes to output quality, this printer excels with a high-resolution 1440 by 1440 dots per inch (dpi) print head, providing vivid, sharp, and detailed prints. The printer's ability to produce bright colors quickly, within just 6 minutes per print, makes it ideal for businesses needing fast turnaround times without compromising on print clarity or color accuracy. However, it is important to note that this printer is compatible with Windows operating systems only, specifically Windows 7, 10, and 11. The Furvveerr A31 L1800 also features an upgraded motor combined with a sturdy aluminum beam, enhancing its operational stability and ease of use. Its one-click automatic cleaning system represents a significant time saver, reducing the need for manual maintenance and minimizing the risk of clogs. This semi-automatic cleaning cycle helps maintain the printer's performance consistently over long periods, allowing users to focus more on production and less on upkeep. Designed for a wide range of applications, this transfer printing machine is user-friendly and efficient. It supports direct printing on PET film and does not require any pre-treatment of garments before printing. After printing, simply dry the film in an oven, and use a heat press to transfer the design onto various fabric types such as t-shirts, jeans, and hats. This makes it a versatile choice for businesses in the apparel customization industry or creative projects. In summary, the Furvveerr A31 L1800 DTF printer combines advanced technology with practical features to offer high-quality prints, easy maintenance, and flexible material handling. Whether you are running a small business or a larger operation, this printer delivers reliability and professional results that can help you grow and succeed in the competitive world of custom fabric printing.